Hey everybody. So I tried the pumpkin sausage soup from the Keto Chow website. If you have been around the Keto Chow community in any way in the last few months, you have probably heard rave reviews of this magical pumpkin sausage soup that is a recipe on their website. It includes the pumpkin spice caramel keto chow. So I got told over and over and over again, you have got to try this pumpkin sausage soup. It will change your life. So I did. I tried the infamous pumpkin sausage soup. And the day that I tried it and I made it, I was able to film it, but it was not a situation in which I could talk while I was cooking. So I have prepared a time lapse for you of my pumpkin sausage soup making. I wanted to put a few notes before it starts. I used my own recipe for sausage because the recipe calls for just like a pre-made sausage like Jimmy Dean. And I went ahead and mixed up my own. I show the recipe at the beginning, so you can take a screenshot of that. I also have a video, I believe, on it, so I will link that up in the cards as well if you want to know my sausage seasoning recipe. I also took the advice of Chris and Miriam, who, you know, of course, if you're going to make a keto chow recipe, you should take their advice, to puree all of the ingredients except for the sausage, of course. There's like some tomatoes and some peppers and things. And I knew that it would be more likely that my kids would eat it if there weren't chunks of peppers and tomatoes in there. So I went ahead and did that. So you'll see that in there. That's not in the original recipe, but that was recommended by Chris and Miriam. All right, without further ado, here is the pumpkin sausage soup making. Now for the review. We made it, we ate it, and it was good. Surprise, it was good. We really enjoyed it. I think I enjoyed it the most. There were some kids that didn't want to try it because that's just how they are. My husband tried it. He liked it. He said it was good. Levi liked it. We joked about it being pumpkin queso because it has cream and cream cheese in it, and it's like beautiful orange, just like cheese. And so it would have been great, with something to dip and just pretend like it was queso. I think the hype around it made me expect it to be something like the heavens were going to open up and rainbows and unicorns and all that. But that didn't happen, but it was good. So my review is the soup is good. It is worth making. It didn't change my life in the way that, some people seem to say it would. But it was delicious and absolutely something I would make again. Let me know down below if you have tried the pumpkin sausage soup. Let me know if you got the rainbows and the unicorns. And maybe I did something wrong and you guys got it. So let me know what you thought of it if you have tried it. And I will see you again in the next video.